All right. So if you're new to my channel and you're looking for actual love here in the Philippines, in paradise, not just to come over and be a player, I have a few suggestions for you. But if you are part of my channel and you have listened to my past videos, you probably already know these things. Anyways, get down to it, right? So you're wanting to move to paradise, you're wanting to find love. My suggestion, don't go online first because you don't know the girls, you don't know the culture, you don't know a lot of things here, right? So my suggestion is first, you move over here. There's 7,641 islands. You get an apartment. It's good for a year. You start to learn the culture of that part of the Philippines that you are staying in because each island has its own culture, has its own language, even. Yes, the north is more Tagalog, central and south is more Bisaya, but even throughout the different islands, they have their little differences in language. So you learn the culture, you learn some of the language, and then once you're settled in, start to find love if that's what you're looking for. Meanwhile, also get your schedule going. Keep busy, guys, because especially us from the West, it takes a while for us to slow down, right? So when we slow down, things start to change. We really need to start to get a schedule going, get your hobbies going, start to intermingle with the people of the town that you're in or the area. Start exploring the Philippines, right? Again, there's 7,641 islands to explore. The island that you first choose might not be the perfect place to stay, right? But this 1 year gives you a chance to visit the other areas, understanding the other areas, the pros and cons about staying in those areas, either more expensive or less expensive, more brownouts, less brownouts, more in the city or whatnot. But think about these things as you go out, as you come here and get your apartment and start to learn the culture, start to understand the area better. Get to know the foods here, being able to take care of yourself. Also, here's another thing. If you come over self-sufficient, try to stay self-sufficient, right? That way, if you come over self-sufficient, learn the language, learn the culture, learn the surrounding area, have your own place. That way, when you get a girl or a girlfriend or a wife eventually, that you are not stuck to her, right? That you actually are able to be self-sufficient. For the girlfriends, if you guys break up, at least you still have your own place. But if you move in with her, which a lot of guys that go to the online dating come over here, they move in with the girlfriend, and then if they split, you get kicked out and you have no place to stay. She does. If you are self-sufficient and have your own place, here's the thing. If you break up and she's out, she can always go back to her family, right? And then you still are not homeless. So again, stay self-sufficient, guys, as you come over. Learn as much as you can about the area that you are staying in, because it's very important to know the do's and the don'ts, the positives, the negatives, so you can make a wise decision on what part of the Philippines you want to stay in. or if you even want to stay in the Philippines. There's some guys who come over that they thought it was a good idea, but their Western mindset is still there, and so they just can't handle the way the Philippines are. So think about it as you go and step by step and doing things. And I'll be probably creating some checklists as well eventually, and to help you guys, the guys first coming here to the Philippines or traveling, and these things might help you. So keep an eye out for those. But these are a few tips that I would suggest. One, again, don't do online dating at least before you come over, before you get established. Number two, get established over here. Get your apartment, get your internet, get everything up and set up, right? And number three, learn as much as you can here, right? Learn the culture as much as the language as you can in the short amount of time. I've been coming to the Philippines for 30 years now, so it's taken me a little bit, but I do understand Tagalog. With Visaya, I'm still learning because I think I'm still new to the area, even though I've been in Cebu for about 5 years now. But think about where you are setting up first and whether or not you're going to keep a place back home. Anyways, guys, this was a short video, but I hope everything works out for you guys. Feel free to ask questions. On my TikTok, I go live normally at 9:30 p.m. on American Perspective. So we will see you guys there if you have some questions. See you guys in the next video.